Section 3. Control structures. Program statement that causes jump of control from one part of the program to another part is called control structure. There are three important control structures: sequential, alternative or branching, iterative or looping. There is nothing much to discuss about sequential, so we move on to alternative or branching. In branching, there are three types of if statements: simple if else, if else. Simple if condition colon statement block 1. So in this syntax, you note that the if keyword is placed in the outer indent level and the statement block is indented. Also, a colon must be placed after the condition. In this example, we have used simple if n less than 0. Here n less than 0 is the condition. So when I give the input minus 5 less than 0 is true. So I get the output, the number is negative. Then the next time when I run the program and I gave the input as 8 is less than 0, means false. So nothing happens because there is no else part. So simple if is nothing but if without else part. If else, if condition colon statement block 1, else colon statement block 2. So here also you note the colon after the condition and also after the else keyword. Here if and else must be in the same level and the statement blocks must be indented. So in this example, we are checking whether a number is even or odd. Here the condition is n modulus 2 is equal to 0. The modulus operator gives the remainder. So when I give the input as 23 modulus 2 gives the answer 1. 1 is equal to 0, which is false. So control passes to the else part and the print statement, the number is odd, is executed. When I give the input 14, this condition 14 modulus 2 is equal to 0 is true. So the print, the number is even, is executed. If else, this is nothing but nested if else. So here if is the short form of else if. You can also use the keywords else if, but in Python this if is available, so we use it. So here we can give multiple conditions in this nested if else. If condition 1 colon statement block 1, if condition 2 colon statement block 2, else colon statement block 3. So here also you note that if else are all in the same indent level. So in this example, we are going to find whether a number is positive, negative or 0. So here n greater than 0 is the condition 1, n less than 0 is condition 2. So when I give minus 12 as input, the first condition is tested, minus 12 greater than 0, which is false. So control passes to else and checks the second condition, minus 12 is negative. Next control structure is iteration or looping. Python has two types of loops, while loop and for loop. While condition colon statement block 1, else colon statement block 2. Here the else part I have placed within square brackets, which means that the else part is optional. I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 5 colon print I is equal to I plus 1. Here I less than or equal to 5 is the condition, and the print I and I is equal to I plus 1 form the body of the loop or the statement block. So whenever the condition is true, the statement block is executed. So loop means a set of statements are executed again and again until the condition is true. So here I is equal to 1. So in the first iteration 1 is less than or equal to 5, which is true. So I is printed, 1 is printed, I becomes 2. Control once again goes back to the beginning of the loop to test the condition. 2 is less than or equal to 5, which is true. So 2 is printed, I becomes 3. Control once again passes to the condition. 3 less than or equal to 5, true. So 3 is printed, I becomes 4. So once again goes back to the condition. 4 less than or equal to 5, true. 4 is printed, I is equal to I plus 1, I becomes 5. So now again the condition is tested. 5 less than or equal to 5, true. So again 5 is printed, I becomes 6. Now when the condition is tested, 6 less than or equal to 5, here the condition is false. So when the condition becomes false, control jumps out of the loop and the loop is terminated. In example 2, I have taken the same example as example 1, but here I have added the else part. So when is the else part executed? When the condition becomes false, control jumps to the else part if you have given an else part. So I here get the output end of loop also. For loop. For counter variable in sequence colon statement block 1, else colon statement block 2. So here also the else part is optional. For I in range 5, print I. So here I is the counter variable, range 5, that forms the sequence. So how the range function works? So when I give one parameter 5 within bracket, it is taken as the end value or stop value. But Python takes stop minus 1. When you give 5, it stops with 4. So here you get the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the output it is clear that range function takes 0 as the start value. That is default. By default it takes 0 as the start value if no start value is given. So here I didn't give any start value. So here I didn't give any start value. So it has taken 0 as the start value and stops with 4. So in the next example, range 1, 5. So here I have given the start value as 1, comma, and the stop value as 5, which means up to 4, stop minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And also I have added the else part, so I get the output end of the loop also. So in this range function 1, 6. So start value is 1. Here 6 means Python will stop with 5. Stop minus 1. So this is generating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here look at the range function. Now I have given 3 parameters. So 1 is the start value, 10 is the stop value, and 2 is the step value or increment value. So here start with 1 and end with 9 because 10 means stop minus 1. So 9, and step value is 2 or jump by 2. So here I get the output 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have discussed control structures today. Thank you.